shop. We have yet another piece, the never-ending Box Elder Burl, which I have still one. Don't sure what I'm gonna do with that one, and then I've still got a pretty good sized one left that will be turned all by its lonesome at some point. But we're gonna got this on the lathe. I was able to figure out about what I can do out of it as far as that goes, and then we'll go from there. And what we're gonna do with the top. I figure that I'm probably going to, because this curves in towards the top, I'm probably gonna try and get to this point. This will be voided out because there's nothing there. All the rest of this will just turn in a little bit, and we'll go from there. So let me get geared up and get you on a tripod, and we'll get the lathe started. This is my audience for tonight while I'm turning. They come by in the morning and in the evening, and my wife happily gives them corn. All right, it is turned inside and out. I gotta say, I didn't film it because I got carried away. One of the new scrapers I used on the inside of this, and it's one of the best finishes I've gotten. Sanded to 400. I toyed with taking the bark off of the burling, but I just think I like the contrast too much to fool with it. I think I'll just leave that on. It's not often I get bark to stay on anything, so I better take it while I can get it. It's turned out very nice. I think my wife has already claimed this as a place to put some rings and stuff, but we'll see. She took the last little project I did, which I only did pictures of, I didn't video. It was a small piece of burl, and she's now got all her toothpicks in it. So, typical, hard feed and wax. And we'll put this on here and see what it's gonna look like. All right, everybody, it's done. Emblem in the bottom, sanded pretty well. Pretty nice little bark inclusion here. And then there's another bark inclusion here. The grain on this burl has been fabulous. And I don't know if you can see it right here and up here is what Box Elder's known for. There's a little flame going on there. Not too much, but I've got 2 more decent sized burls. Maybe some of that'll show up in them. Maybe I should just let it sit longer. I'm not sure what causes it to turn flame red, but that's got some of it in it. Nice little piece. I enjoyed turning it. It's pretty quick. Like I said, I think it's probably already gone, but we'll see. I'll post some stills of it, and I appreciate you for coming by. Appreciate your watching. Like, subscribe, please leave a comment. I like to hear from everybody. I do respond. I try to get to you pretty quickly, but sometimes it takes me a little bit. I will respond though. Tell your friends, share it, let everybody know. This is just a hobby for me, but it's one I enjoy and I'm pretty passionate about at this point. So again, thanks for stopping by.